Hello everyone, and thank you once again for joining me on my channel. Tonight's video is how to cook Jamaican style rice and peas in a rice cooker. The reason why we're using a rice cooker, because it will cut the time by more than half in most cases, and you won't burn your rice. Before I go on, I'd like to thank all my subscribers, family and friends for joining me today. And if you're just watching me for the first time and you like what you see and hear, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for new videos. Thank you. Now, the ingredients that we're using today is basmati rice, which, as you see in the plastic container, which comes with the rice cooker, measured out. We use 3 of those. Half a cup of coconut milk and 1 tin of red beans. Add to that some chopped fine ginger, chopped up 2 cloves of garlic, and some thyme, and depending upon your Now, as we see here, the rice is already in the container. We have, I can just about see it, half a mug, right? I say cup, mug of coconut milk. You pour that in. One mug or cup of water. The whole tin of Dunn's River cold kidney beans. The whole tin of Dunn's River kidney beans. Add that in there. Alright, make sure it's all done. Your thyme, you close the thyme, add that in. And as you can see here, we have our chopped up ginger, chopped up garlic, and chopped up Scotch bonnet pepper. Now I use the yellow Scotch bonnet pepper. That's not quite as hot as the red ones, a little bit more fiery than the green ones, but it has the best flavor. Okay, it gives you the heat and the best flavor. The red, if you're using red, you're going to get flavor, but you're going to get a lot more heat. Okay, so but that's my preference on Scotch bonnet pepper. Now, all that is then added. You see, that's all added, mixed in. And of course, we're going to use salt. Now, I normally use pink salt, rock salt. It's a mixture of sea salt and Himalayan pink salt. Yeah, but you can use whatever salt you wish. Right. Normally, I measure out with the grinder. With this grinder, it is like 35 times. But normally what I would say is half a teaspoon of salt per 3 measured cups of rice. And as we said, stir in and forget, switch it on. Right, and then switch the rice cooker on, put the top on, and forget that, leave that for 15 to 20 minutes and that should be done. Okay everyone, here it is, the finished product. Not quite finished, but cooked anyway. The rice cooker itself will cook, as you see, when this goes down, and then it will, when it estimate that it is cooked, it will switch itself off onto warm. Now you normally leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes after that, but you can leave it longer if you wish, if you're still cooking and so forth, and the rice will stay nice and warm and ready for you to eat once you're finished, right? Okay, now to finish this up, what we have to do is we have to stir in the rice. Okay, as you see, the time, I take the time out. Some people leave the time in, yeah, but I take the sticks of time out. Yeah, don't worry, my hands is clean. Yeah, I do wash my hands quite regularly when cooking. Now, also, when handling Scotch bonnet pepper, I give you a tip. Wash your hands regularly, because you never know what will happen. You may sneeze or whatever, next thing you know, your fingers are in your eye or whatever, and you're gonna know about it. Ladies and gentlemen, do not go to the bathroom with Scotch bonnet if you've been handling Scotch bonnet pepper. Always wash your hands after you've done it. Now, all you have to do, as you see here, is just mix in the peas with the rice. Those of you from Barbados and Trinidad and you and so forth, you call it beans and rice. Now, this goes out to my family members. Okay, keep it nice with your comments, please. Okay, all right, this is a quick stuff. I know that it is, to some women out there, it is sacrilege not soaking the red beans overnight, but yeah, but and the rice, you know, you may have noticed that I didn't wash the rice. The rice has already been pre-washed, so, you know, and dried out. So as you see, that's how it goes. Now this should be enough for 4 people or 3 people with big appetites. Okay, this is enough rice, right? A liter of rice. So again, we're going to go over it, right? We have, right, the ingredients that you need is rice, salt, chopped up garlic, chopped up Scotch bonnet pepper, depending upon your taste, right? Some thyme, some ginger chopped up finely, half a cup of Dunn's River coconut milk or mug, a cup or mug of water, and a tin of Dunn's River red kidney beans. Okay, and that, ladies and gentlemen, is there you have Jamaican style rice and peas cooked, flavorful, and ready to serve. Now, if you like what you see and you like some more Jamaican style cooking, please leave a comment below. And remember, if you've seen this for the first time, if you like what you see, please subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get notified when I'm putting out another video. And I could always do with a share.